Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are good. Children, in that previous video we discussed related to worksheet 3, right? In this video we are going to discuss about that worksheet 3A. This is continuation of worksheet 3. Okay ma, see here. Here x minus 10 is equals to 60 degrees. X minus 10 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Where x is an acute angle, then the supplement of x we need to find out. Okay, now here see that. What they given ma? Given that x minus 10 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, and where x is an acute angle, obviously we will know that x is acute angle only. See here, x is equals to 60 degrees and here minus 10 become as plus 10 degrees. Then here x is equal to 60 plus 10, which is equals to 70 degrees. How much we got ma here? X is equal to 70. Obviously this is acute angle only. What they said in that question, that one only we got here, that is acute angle. Okay, after that then the supplement of x we need to find out. Okay, now here supplement of x. Supplement of 70 degrees is supplement. How to find out supplement ma? The sum of two angles is equals to 180 degrees, then we can say that those two angles are supplementary angles. Now here to this angle we need to find that supplement. One of the angle already there, another angle we need to find out. Okay, is 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. Okay, then how much you will get ma here? 70 degrees, 180 degrees minus 70, which is equals to 110 degrees is the supplement of 70 degrees. Understood? Then here which option is correct here? 110 degrees. Option 1 is correct. Okay, yes. Second one, if 2x plus 210 is equals to 260 degrees, where x is an acute angle, just like the previous one only, first we need to find that x value. Then the complement of x we need to find out. Complement of x. See here ma. 2x plus 210 is equals to 260 degrees. Okay. Now here 2x is equals to 260 degrees minus 210 degrees. Plus 210 become as minus 210. Now here 2x is equal to 260 minus 210, which is equal to 50 degrees. Okay. Now here x is equals to 50 degrees by 2. 2 ones and here 2 25s. Then here x is equal to how much ma? 25 degrees. That's what they given in the question. Now x is equal to 25 degrees means that is acute angle only. Okay. Here this is acute angle. Now what we need to find out? Complement of 25 degrees. Complement of 25 degrees means sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. Then we will call those two angles are complementary angles. Okay ma? Now here complement of 25 degrees is equal to, complement means 90 degrees only, no? 90 minus 25 degrees. Then here you, how much you will get ma? 65 degrees. 65 plus 25, 90. Okay, which is correct here? Option 3, 65 degrees. Okay, yes. Third one, see that if two angles A and B which are complementary to each other are in the ratio 3:2. Okay, then the angles are. See that ma. Two angles A and B which are complementary to each other in the ratio 3 and 3:2. Okay, they given that A is to B is equal to 3:2. Okay, and A, B are complementary angles. A and B are complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles means the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. We know that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and let the angle be some x. Okay, then here 3x plus 2x is equal to 90 degrees. 5x is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 90 by 5. Okay, 5/18. Then here x is equal to how much we got, ma? 18 degrees. Now what we need to find out, what are those two angles they're asking. Now here, since angles are, what are those angles? One of the angle A is equal to 3x, no? So 3 into 18, which is equals to 54 degrees. 3/18, 54 degrees. Next, B is equals to here 2x, which is equals to 2 into 18, which is equals to 36 degrees. 54 plus 36, which is equal to 90. Okay, ma? Yes. 54 and 36. Which option is correct? Option 1 is satisfying. Yes. If two angles which are supplemented to each other in the ratio 2:7. Now what they given here? Given that A and B are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, and A is to B is equals to 2:7. Okay, and that angle, let the angle be some x. Okay, or let that number be x. Some number is there, no, cancellation number. Let the number be x. Anything you can take here. Okay, ma? As per this one, 2x plus 7x. Okay, then here what we can say, A is equal to 2x, B is equal to 7x. Now here ax plus bx, which means a plus b is 2x plus 7x, which is equals to, those two are supplementary angles, no? Then here which is equals to 180 degrees. Now here 7 plus 2, 9x, which is equals to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 by 9. 9 20 is 180. So x is equal to 20. Okay, ma? Now here A is equal to, angles we need to find out, no? So 2 into 20 is equals to 40 degrees. B is equal to 7 into 20, which is equals to 140 degrees. 140 plus 40, 180. Clear, ma? Then here what are those angles? 40 degrees and 140 degrees. Okay? Yes. Fifth one, if the supplement of an angle 5 times itself, if the supplement of an angle 5 times itself, then its complement is, okay, see here, given that, let the angle be some x. X, given that supplement of an angle is 5 times itself, which means x plus 5x. Supplement of an angle is 5 times of that the same number. Okay, which is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. That's by here 180. 6x is equal to 180 degrees. Now here x is equal to 180 degrees by 6. 6 ones and 6 30s. Okay, ma? Then here x is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, now what we need to find out? Then the complement, its complement we need to find out. Now, complement of 30 degrees. How much? Complement of 30 degrees is 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. Yes, I know complement means sum of two angles is equal to 90. So 90 minus one of the angle 30 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Then what is the complement here? That is 60 degrees. Option 1. Okay. Yes. Sixth one, see that. If the complement of an angle is 1 by 5 times itself. Okay. See here. Let the angle be x, and its a complement they are asking, no? Complement is 1 by 5 times of the same value, 1 by 5x. Okay. Now, by the problem, what is that? X plus 1 by 5 into x means x by 5, which is equals to complement. No, complement means 90 degrees. Okay, ma? Now here 5 into x is 5x plus x by 5, which is equals to 90. Okay. Now here 5x plus x is equal to 6x by 5, which is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now here 6x is equal to 90 degrees, and here in the denominator we are having 5, no, that is in division. So division become as multiplication. 90 into 5. X is equal to 90 degrees into 5 by 6. Okay. Now cancellation, see here, ma. 6 15s, 90. Okay. Now here x is equals to 15 5s, and here this is 75. X is equal to how much, ma? 75. Now the angles they are asking, no? So one of the angle is equal to 75. What is the another angle here? X is equal to 75. Angles are x is equal to 75 and x by 5 is equal to 75 by 5, 5 15s. Okay, which is equal to 15 degrees. Then here what are those angles, ma? 75 degrees and 15 degrees. Option 1. Okay, yes. 7th one, see that. If the supplement of angle 40 degrees less than thrice its supplement, then the angles are. Okay, again, let the angle be, all are same models only, no, ma. Angle be x. Now it's a supplement angle. It's a supplement angle, how much here now? 40 degrees less than its thrice of its supplement. Thrice of its supplement means 3x, and 40 degrees less means minus 40 degrees. 3x minus 40. Here sentence form they given, no? Sentence form just convert into that numerical form. Here you will get that 3x minus 40 degrees. Expression form you will get that 3x minus 40 degrees. Okay, ma? Now we need to find the angles. Now x plus 3x minus 40 degrees is equal to supplement angles, no? Then here 180 degrees. X plus 3x is equal to 4x is equal to 180 degrees, minus 40 become as plus 40 degrees. Okay. Now here 4x is equal to 180 plus 40, 220. Okay. As per this one here, x is equals to 220 by 4. 455s. Okay. Then here x is equal to 55. X is equal to 55. Now here 3x minus 40 is equal to how much, ma? 3x minus 40 degrees is equal to 3 into 55 minus 40, which is equals to 3 5 15, 15 plus 1 16, 165 minus 40, which is equals to 125 degrees. Okay, ma? Then the angles are 55 degrees and 125 degrees. Where we are having that option? 55 degrees and 125 degrees. Option 1 is satisfying here. Okay? Yes. 8th question say that if an angle lies between 180 and 270, 180 and 270, an angle which is lies in between 180 and 360, we will call those all the angles are reflex angles. Okay, ma? Here they are asking between 180 degrees is less than theta is less than 270 degrees. Then what we will call this angle? Reflex angle. Okay, ma? Where is that reflex? Here it is. Okay, yes. Next, 9th question, what is that? If an angle lies in between, yes, lies in between 105 degrees to is less than, theta is less than 130 degrees. So, angle is greater than 90 and less than 180. What we will call that? That is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Okay, where we are having here this is. Okay ma, and one more question is there from this worksheet 3a, that is, if a wheel makes one revolution in 1 second, then the angle made by it is, one wheel is there no ma, here one wheel is there. Okay, see that here, for example, here this is that point, it completes one revolution means a turn about itself. Okay, it completes one full rotation. Understood ma? Okay, then here it completes that, for example, here this one starts from here and this one completes, and up to that this is the ending point. Okay, it completes one rotation. It completes one rotation, which means here center point is there, no? So it completes one rotation means it completes how many degrees ma here? Complete angle. This one shows that one complete angle. Why? Because this one completes the total circle, right? That's why here about that point here total angle is 360 degrees, which means this one takes that one complete rotation. Complete rotation means what is that angle? Complete angle. That complete angle is 360 degrees. Understood ma? Yes. After this one we are having here worksheet 4. Okay, up to here we are having, this is a worksheet 3a questions. Okay ma? In that next video we will discuss about that concept 4 related to that worksheet 4. Next we will discuss. Okay, thank you all.